Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log in to RBS Mastercard account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Royal Bank of Scotland Mastercard account, open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.rbs.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Royal Bank of Scotland. To log in and access to your Mastercard account, you'll need to click on the login button at the top right hand corner. And in the login area, select whether you'd like to log in with your customer number or your card number. If you'd like to use the customer number, you'll need to type in your customer number, that is your date of birth, followed by your unique identification. If you'd like to log in with card number, enter the 16-digit card number at the front of your debit or credit card. After you are done making a selection and typing in the credential, click on the continue button. Soon after you do that, on the next page, follow through the on-screen prompts. You might need to enter a password associated with your digital banking account for Royal Bank of Scotland, and after you are done with it, you'll be able to log in and access your Mastercard or credit card account. That is how you can easily log in and access your RBS Mastercard account online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.